Oh, the air is nice and cool out there.
I know.
Holy crap.
It's hot in here. I think I might just get out and splash.
Right.
It feels good.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another Jayberjahm Clips video. As you can see, we're out at Hampton Beach. We just got rained out pretty hard. Good sized thunderstorm. What the hell is this guy doing?
I don't know, pulling over because I don't think they can see the drive. But we're gonna have to sit here till this is over. You guys are gonna be covered in sand, regardless. Sandstorm in the car. Everything's covered in sand back there. Looks like we're having a sand party back here. Oh.
A sand party back here.
I'm uncomfortable. So uncomfortable.
All right.
Oh yeah, it's dangerous out there.
Come on, let's go. Come here.
Daddy, don't drop me.
Come here.
Daddy, that's scary. Daddy!
Come here. We gotta get down. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's gonna... Yeah. Daddy, under there?
Our little day trip to the ocean was cut pretty short because of all the rain and stuff. We did still spend probably about 2 hours there. We still had overall a pretty good day. It was still pretty fun. That was the first time our kids have been to the ocean. Do me a favor, drop a like on this video, subscribe to our channel. We post content as often as we can. Also, one thing that I did notice, I was checking the analytics for our channel. 79% of our viewers are not subscribed. Obviously, we're going to keep making content, so that means just go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. All right, peace out, guys.